Welcome back, AI champions. In the last episode, we introduced you to the hidden gem, Google's Gemini tool. Today, we're not just going to let you watch, we'll show you how to transform Gemini into your essential partner in one of the most in-demand jobs right now, virtual assistants. Did you know that the demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic? Small and large companies, and even individuals, are looking for someone to efficiently handle their work remotely. That's where Gemini comes in, transforming you from just an assistant into a virtual assistant superstar. The biggest challenge many aspiring virtual assistants face is language, especially English. But with Gemini, forget about that problem entirely. You can simply ask them, write me a professional quote for digital marketing services for a real estate company in Jeddah, emphasizing our experience in the Saudi market. In seconds, you'll have a complete, professionally written email in your preferred language, modern Arabic, English, or even another language if the client is foreign. It's not just about quotes, you can also have them write persuasive emails or respond to client inquiries in a tactful and professional manner, making the client feel you understand every detail. This service alone can earn you a very good income as a virtual assistant. Not only that, Gemini will be your personal assistant in organizing your tasks and those of your clients. Imagine being able to ask it to plan a daily schedule for me that includes 3 meetings, follow up with 5 clients, and prepare a weekly report. Or, develop a detailed business plan for me to launch a new product project within 2 months. Gemini will help you schedule meetings, remind clients of important appointments, and even organize your work agenda so that you are always proceeding in clear and organized steps. You're not just using a tool, you're using a smart partner that puts you one step ahead of everyone else. You're selling an organization and efficiency that your competitors simply can't match. Do you have lengthy documents you need to summarize quickly? Or do you need to conduct rapid market research on a specific competitor? Gemini is here to save you hours of reading and analysis. You can give it any document, whether it's a sales report, a feasibility study, or even an entire book, and ask it, summarize the top 5 points in this document. In moments, you'll have the summary. You can also use it to conduct preliminary market research, analyze simple data to understand customer behavior, or even gather information on any topic with lightning speed. This will allow you to offer your clients significant added value and be a source of reliable and fast information. Now you know what Gemini can do for you. The question is, how do you showcase these services and attract clients? The most important thing is to build a strong profile. Clearly state that you are a new AI-powered virtual assistant. Include examples of professional emails you've written, plans you've designed, or summaries you've created using Gemini. In describing your services, emphasize the speed, accuracy, and efficiency that AI offers. Start with the freelance platforms we mentioned earlier, such as Upwork and Fiverr. The market is hungry for these services. Artificial intelligence, especially Gemini, isn't just a helpful tool, it's a strategic business partner that will help you break all the boundaries of efficiency and income as a virtual assistant. So, what task would you most like Gemini to help you with as a virtual assistant? Tell me in the comments below what tasks you'd love to automate. To make sure you're on the right track, try using Gemini for one simple task we discussed today. If you get stuck, leave your question in the comments and I'll help. See you in the next episode where we'll reveal new secrets of Gemini in the world of content creation and digital marketing. Don't miss out.